Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video, we are going to understand and learn our second congruency rule, that is ASA congruency rule. ASA congruency rule. In my last video, I taught you our first congruency rule, that was side angle side congruency rule. So if you want to learn or if you want to understand what is side angle side congruency rule, you can go and check out my last video. In this video, we are going to understand our second congruency rule, that is ASA. Here, the first A stands for angle and S stands for side, and our next A again stands for angle. So, if two angles and one side of a two triangles are equal to each other, then that two triangles will be congruent to each other. What does this rule signify? This rule states that two triangles are congruent to each other if two angles and the included side of one triangle are equal to two angles and the included side of other triangle. This rule states that if two angles and one side of one triangle are equal to other two angles and one side of other triangle, then these two triangles will be congruent to each other. And if we prove that these two triangles are congruent to each other, then the corresponding parts will be equal to each other. So here let's understand this rule with a simple question. Now here two triangles are given. So let's draw two triangles first. Triangle ABC and triangle DEF. If you have to prove two triangles congruent to each other, you have to first draw two triangles. And in exam, you have to draw all the figures given in the question paper to solve the questions, so that your examiner understand what you have wrote simply. So here are our two triangles. So basically we have to prove these two triangles congruent to each other. This triangle is ABC and this triangle is DEF. There is no measurement in these two triangles. These two triangles are not equal to each other. We can simply see that. But I want to make you understand the congruency rule. That's why I am drawing these type of triangles. So here you are given that ABC and DEF are two triangles, and angle B, this angle B is equal to angle E, this angle E here. So angle C is equal to angle F here. These 2 points are given to us, and BC will be equal to EF. BC will be equal to EF. So now we have to prove that ABC triangle is congruent to triangle DEF. So basically, if angle B is equal to angle E and BC is equal to EF, this is our angle. You have to write all these things so that you can get full marks. And this is our side, and angle C is equal to angle F, and this is also an angle. You have to write these things in a proper manner because you want to prove these two triangles are congruent to each other using the congruency rule ASA. So you have to write angle first, then side on second point, and then again angle. Then only this congruency rule will be applicable to your question. If you write angle side, that will be another congruency rule we are going to discuss in our next video. But here If we wrote angle B is equal to angle E, angle BC is equal to EF side, and angle C is equal to angle F angle again. So now these 3 points are given to us. All these 3 points are given to us. So you have to write that these points are given to us. So now angle or triangle ABC will be congruent to triangle DEF. By which rule? ASA congruency rule. ASA congruency rule. So after proving two triangles are congruent to each other, all the corresponding parts will be equal to each other. It means that AC will be equal to DF, AB will be equal to DE, angle A will be equal to angle D. Okay, the question does not signify all these things, but you have to understand if two triangles are congruent to each other, then all the corresponding parts will be equal to each other. And this symbol, this is our congruency symbol. So if you are proving two triangles congruent to each other, you have to use this symbol first. So you have to attempt some questions on the basis of this congruency rule. And if you have any doubt regarding any topic or any question, you can ask me in the comment section.